Guess kung ano ito. This is not a debit card, hindi din ito credit card, at lalong hindi membership card. Okay? So this is actually a crypto hardware wallet. Ang wallet na ito, this is called Tangem wallet. And in this video, pag-uusapan natin how can you actually safely secure yung crypto mo by using this wallet. And at the same time, we're gonna review, is using Tangem wallet worth it? So yeah, let's go! Hi guys, Suplo here. Now, before we start, quick disclosure. So actually, pinadala ito ni Tangem because they want us to test it and then makapagbigay talaga tayo ng honest review and feedback about it. So matest natin talaga siya personally. Kaya in this video, yan yung exactly na gagawin natin. However, pansin nyo, in our channel, medyo marami na tayo mga nire-review na mga products, mga investments, and mga platforms. Kaya I was thinking, moving forward, how can we make yung mga reviews natin as objective as possible? That's why in this video, probably we're gonna be using this even moving forward. Itong tinatawag ko na asset criteria. Asset meaning A-S-S-E-T. Meaning, what is it about? How safe and secure is it? Next, how simple is it to use? Next is, ano ba yung edge niya? Edge, or meaning ano ba yung mga features niya, and lastly T for the total or overall value niya. So magkano yung cost, ano yung mga fees, and ano yung total value niya overall. And after the end of the video or review, magbibigay tayo ng tinatawag natin na asset score if it is highly recommended ba. Kaya in this video, we're gonna do our honest review with Tangem wallet. At the same time, the end of the video, bibigyan natin siya ng asset score. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, let's start with our first criteria, A. What is Tangem wallet all about? So as I mentioned kanina, Tangem wallet, this is a hardware wallet kung saan this is one of the safest ways to secure yung cryptocurrency mo. Kasi ganito, when it comes to crypto kasi, yung unang nathi-think mo if you wanna get started in crypto is that you're gonna be investing in a platform. So let's say for example, locally and globally. Sa local, may mga CoinsPH, may PDAX, or JCrypto. Tapos in global naman is may Binance, may OKX. So these are mga crypto platforms. The problem ito is that merong tinatawag na saying na not your keys, not your crypto. Meaning, itong mga platform na to, anytime can freeze your account. Let's say for example, mga global exchanges na nababan, hindi mo na ma-access yung crypto mo, kaya na-invented yung mga tinatawag na mga hot wallet, okay, which you can have access like online. Meron like MetaMask, meron Trust Wallet, okay, so ito yung mga hot wallet. Ito naman, you really hold your keys. So, meaning, meron siyang tinatawag na secret recovery phrase na you hold your keys. So, ikaw talaga yung may full control ng cryptocurrency mo. However, since yung mga hot wallet naman, they are connected to the internet, paminsan-minsan, nahahack siya. Kaya, one of the safest way talaga to secure your crypto is dapat meron kang tinatawag na mga cold wallet or mga hardware wallet. Kung saan, yung keys mo is that hawak mo talaga siya. Every time magsasign ka ng mga transaction, kailangan yung hardware wallet mo every time you sign a transaction. Now, yung famous or yung mga well-known na mga crypto hardware wallet is actually Trezor and Ledger. So, personally ako, meron akong Trezor wallet. So, this one, every time I do transactions sa crypto, kailangan mo talaga physically i-click mo talaga dito, okay, na you sign the transaction, meaning you really hold your keys. So same thing din dito sa Tangem wallet. This is a hardware wallet. Every time na magsa-sign ka ng transaction, you're gonna be using yung Tangem wallet mo. Now later pakita ko sa iyo yung technology behind, like paano to naging wallet? Like this is just a card, di ba? So that's why ito yung unique selling mechanism nila or unique selling proposition nila na just imagine, card lang siya. Walang screens compared sa mga traditional na mga cold wallet. Okay? Sobrang unique. And then, look at this. Sobrang cool din. Okay? So, this is a hardware wallet kung saan you can safely secure and securely store your crypto. Now, second criteria natin, how safe and secure ba si Tangem wallet? Well, nandito tayo sa website nila, official website, tangem.com. And by the way, if you're also interested about Tangem wallet, I'll just put the link down in the description if you want to check out all the details about this hardware wallet. Ngayon, again, balikan natin yung question, how safe ba siya? So dito, your secure crypto hardware wallet. And ito, sobrang laking, very bold claim, like 0 out of 6 million, okay? Cards hacked since launch in 2017. Okay? So, sobrang tagal na pala ni Tangem wallet, no? Like, 2017 pa sila. And then, they've already sold like 6 million cards and wala pang na-hack kahit isa. So, if you ask me like, wow, that's really, really secure, di ba? And later, makita natin yung technology nila behind. But basically, like, it makes me wonder, like, ganito sila ka-secure, pero bakit I haven't really heard about them? Like, again, when it comes to hardware wallet, it's either Trezor or Ledger. Pero, seeing this one, parang napabilib talaga ako with Tangem Wallet. So, yeah, we can scroll down dito about how the card works, okay? So, like, through ownership, kasi again, as I mentioned, this is a hardware wallet, easy to use, okay? So, later, pakita ko how easy it is. And then, eto din, seedless by design. So, ito yung para sa akin, one of the safest, what made Tangem Wallet really safe is yung tinatawag na seedless. Kasi ganito, yung mga traditional hardware wallet, meron kasi yung tinatawag na mga seed phrase or yung tinatawag na secret recovery phrases. Kung saan these are like 12 or 24 words na isusulat mo, okay? Isusulat mo yan. Hindi mo pwedeng ilagay sa Google Drive, okay? Kasi once makita yan, ma-access na yan ng mga hackers. So, kailangan mong isulat, tapos you need to keep it. However, with Tangem, seedless na siya. Meaning, hindi mo na kailangan isulat pa yung mga recovery phrase mo. As long as meron kang card, okay, yung keys mo, yung private keys mo, nandito na siya. So, itatap mo lang siya sa cellphone mo. Okay, itatap mo lang siya sa cellphone mo. And then, ma-access mo na yung crypto mo. However, may option naman sila na you can do the seed phrase route. Meaning, magsusulat ka rin ng mga recovery phrase mo. Pero, if you ask me, parang mas risky yun eh. Just imagine like let's say for example, for Trezor. So, meron kang Trezor wallet. Okay, you have to keep this. Tapos, yung recovery phrase mo, isusulat mo pa. And you have to keep that. You have to store that. Yung risk nun, okay, baka mamali ka sa pagsulat. Okay, one word lang na mali. Di ba? So, pwedeng hindi mo na ma-access yung crypto mo. Another example, what if mawala yung sinulat mo? Okay, so yan yung risk. However, with Tangem, yung ikikip mo lang is yung card. Okay? Yung ikikip mo lang is yung card. So, just imagine, ito, pwede mong ilagay sa wallet mo. Okay? You can safely bring this everywhere. Compared sa magdala-dala ka ng ganito, di ba? You can put it sa, like, with your other cards. So, like, imagine dito. Oh, just how cool is this, di ba? Na, para lang din siyang debit or credit card. So, you can safely store it together with your cards. Okay? So, if you ask me, when it comes to security, I feel like mas secure pa nga si Tangem Wallet because of their seedless by design na feature nila. Another thing, sabi dito, always ready, no batteries, no cables, no nothing to charge. Okay? So, actually, ito, nabilong na to sa third natin na criteria, which is simplicity. Okay, but anyway, since nandito na, discuss na lang natin. So again, this is so simple kasi again, this is how it works. Like, you have your phone, okay? You have your phone, tapos itatap mo lang siya every time you sign a transaction, and then that's it. Alright? Compared mo with a hardware wallet na ganito, kailangan mo pa, meron kang USB. Okay? So again, nasa third criteria na tayo no, sa simplicity. But anyway, kailangan mo yung USB. Tapos if you notice, ito USB-A. Kailangan pa ng adapter para ma-connect ko siya with my MacBook. Okay? Para ma-access ko yung Bitcoin ko dito. So, tapos ito, may screen pa. Yung iba, kailangan mo pang i-charge kasi may battery. So, yung card, walang battery. Diretso na, ready to go. So, in terms of simplicity, sobrang easy to use din siya. Okay? So, let's check ano pa yung mga features dito. All crypto, storage, okay? Engineered by Absolute Security. Okay? 3 cards, 1 wallet. So, in terms naman of like backup, so I actually have 3 cards. So, like 1 and then, saan ba yung iba? So, ito 1, tapos yung isa, dito, nilagay ko siya dito. Yung isa naman, ito din pala, dito. Nilagay ko dito. So, you have 3 cards, right? Or actually, may mga options that you can have 3 cards, 2 cards. Meron ding ring, okay? So, instead of a card lang, meron din siyang ring. But basically, meron siyang mga backup na in case mawala yung isang card mo, may second card ka pa. In case mawala yung second card mo, may last card ka pa. Okay? Tapos, every time you also access your crypto, you need a access code. So, meron siyang password. So, may password and then card. So, when it comes to like security, I'd say pretty secure talaga. And then, setting up, very simple. So, dito, pakita dito, yung setup. So, like, you just download the Tangem app. So, meron siyang kasama kasi na Tangem app. So, you have to officially download. You have to download yung official app niya. Okay? Tapos, from there, you just log in and you set up. So, ganito yung setup. But later, may video din tayo nito. But, pakita ko lang dito. So, yan. Download the app. Tapos, itatap mo yung card. Okay? First card. Then, second card, itatap mo. And then, third card, itatap mo siya. Para, etong 3 cards, these are all your backup crypto hardware wallet. So, yeah, security-wise, pretty solid. And basically, yeah, that's it. That's how you set up your account. So, sobrang easy to create your own crypto wallet. And dito, once meron ka ng wallet, you can now start sending your crypto from your crypto platforms like Binance, OKX, ipupunta mo, iso-store mo dito sa hardware wallet mo. And then every time you sign transactions, you just tap the card and yeah, that's it. That's how simple and easy it is to use. Now, when it comes to security, ito yung something that they're really proud of, like the EAL6 Plus, the highest chip security. So, yan, you can just search about this one. But basically, this is something they're really proud of. If I'm not mistaken, it's like the technology, same technology with Samsung, and they're using it dito sa mga cards na. So, meron chip dito. And how it actually works is, yung technology nito is NFC. So, like, tap lang siya. So, same technology with like Apple Pay, Google Pay, na itatap mo lang yung phone mo every time you do transaction. So, dito din, it has that same technology. NFC technology, itatap mo siya dun sa phone mo para you can sign transaction. And it has this kind of chip. Okay, so again, this is jargon na. We don't want to deal a lot of this. Again, yung goal natin is to simplify, diba? But basically, they have this chip. If you want to dive deep dito, you can search about this one. But yeah, this is like the highest chip security nila. And then, eto din, like, this is how confident they are na sobrang safe and secure yung wallet is because they have like 25-year limited hardware warranty. So, Tangem Wallet hardware can last at least 25 years with proper care. So, ganun sila ka-confident dito. Like, 25-year hardware warranty. That's how confident they are with their product. So, yeah, when it comes to security, sobrang solid. When it comes to simplicity, okay, which is our third criteria, sobrang easy din siyang to use. So yeah, let's continue. So tapos na tayo with A, about what is it about, their hardware wallet, very unique kasi naka-card siya. When it comes to safety, seedless, okay, so I think that's one of their best features, seedless, okay, and then zero hacks after 6 million sold, okay. And next is the simplicity, so sobrang simple niya. In fact, I'll put a video dito nung nag-unboxing ako, tapos when I was setting up, like, you just tap your card para ma-recognize yung free cards mo. And it's just sobrang easy to use. Wala nang USB, diba? Tapos wala nang adapter. Like, ako, gumamit pa ako ng adapter for my Trezor. Tapos medyo na-stress ako kasi kailangan ko pang isulat yung secret recovery phrase ko. Pero dito, with Tangem, sobrang simple and easy to use. I believe yan nga yung edge niya, which is yung fourth criteria natin. Yung E, edge, or ano ba yung features niya na what makes it really unique. So, again, being the card itself, I feel like that's really a unique way na hardware wallet siya. So, very unique way of being a hardware wallet. However, I'm gonna show you what's inside ba talaga once meron ka ng access to your Tangem wallet. So, this is how the Tangem app look like. So, basically, just download the official Tangem app in App Store or Play Store. Okay? So, log in tayo. Okay? And then, very simple lang. Like, yun. Diba? We're in. So, meron tayong konting crypto dito, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and whatnot. And then, ano ba yung mga features niya inside the app? So, if you notice, number one feature is just really to store your crypto. So, again, if meron kang crypto in your exchange and then you wanna safely store it, so, pwede mo ditong ilagay. You just transfer from your exchange papunta dito. So, yan yung number one feature niya. So, very simple, straightforward. And then, at the same time dito, if you notice, scroll up natin, if you notice dito, meron siyang mga like market, meron siyang mga news, okay? So like, para na din siyang naging hot wallet, okay? Like an online wallet na most of the features in a hot wallet like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, nandito na din eh. And then, ito talaga yung para sa akin, one of the best features is yung meron siyang staking and yield. And alam mo naman natin na as dividend investors, ito talaga yung gusto natin, diba? Like money working for us. So, if you look at this, check natin, see all natin dyan. So, makikita natin yung mga different crypto that's actually earning some interest. So, like, ito, Gram, 17%, Cosmos, 15.82%. And then, ito, Global US Dollar, okay, 5.95%. That's pretty good. Diba? Solana at 5.23% staking. So, meaning, instead of just storing your crypto and natutulog lang siya, so dito, pwede mo rin siyang i-stake and kikita ka ng mga yields. So, I think this is one of the features talaga na nagustuhan ko is that, like, since it is, meron siyang app, you can still access yung mga features when it comes to crypto. And then dito din, actually, may mga news pa dito. Makikita mo din yung how the market is moving, ano yung gainers, ano yung mga losers. Okay? And then, yeah, basically that's one of the benefit. Another benefit naman dito is when you click dito, nakikita mo na meron din siyang actually Tangem Pay. So this is one I'm also very excited. Probably I'll also gonna try this one. So dito, you can now spend your crypto that is connected with your hardware wallet. So just imagine, yung hardware wallet mo, nakastore siya, pero if you wanna use it, meron din silang Tangem Pay, tapos may Visa card, okay, and pwede mo siyang gamitin. So, eto, hindi ko pa siya na-activate. Probably gawa natin to ng separate video. But just imagine, meron kang hardware wallet, tapos mayroon ka rin, eto, Tangem Pay, tap din. Kasi, I believe it could also be connected to your Google Pay or Apple Pay account. So, yeah, you can spend your crypto in real life if meron ka nito. So, this is one of their features din in Tangem Wallet. Another feature naman is eto, Wallet Connect. Meaning, if you're doing like mga decentralized apps, mga tinatawag na dApps, so pwede ka ring makapag-connect dito. So let's say you're doing like lending and mga liquidity farming, so pwede nasa desktop ka, alright? Tapos i-click mo lang tong Wallet Connect and scan mo lang yung QR code, alright? And every time you sign a transaction, kailangan mo yung card mo to sign your transaction. That makes it really safe. Compared mo kasi na meron kang desktop, tapos doon ka magda-dApps, tapos, doon ka rin magsasign. Yan yung risk talaga na ma-hack yung mga accounts. However, meron pa rin risk if, syempre, magkoconnect ka ng mga random mga dApps. Okay? So, pwede ka pa rin makapag-sign ng mga malicious na mga transactions and pwede pa rin. Kaya, if you ask me, yung best para sa akin na feature ni Tangem is that I'd stay with just storing them, with staking, okay, native staking, okay. At the same time, I'm very also interested dun sa Tangem Pay nila so that you could also spend your wallet. Now, let me show you some example of how easy it is to use. So, let's say for example, mag-a-add tayo ng token, okay, or crypto. So, add tayo ng token dito, okay, Tangem. So, actually, makikita mo na they can actually store a lot. Okay, like a lot of tokens. Compared kasi sa mga hardware wallets, limited lang yung mga tokens. If you notice dito sa Tangem, sobrang dami din na pwede mong ma-store. Okay, so just for this example, let's say for example, we're gonna set up XRP. Alright, so XRP, i-open natin yan. Alright, tapos isi-save natin. So ngayon, gagamitin natin yung Tangem wallet natin. Tap lang natin yan. Okay, tapping. And then, he's gonna be asking for an access code. So again, kanina tinap natin yung card and ngayon may access code pa. So that's how secure it is na meron siyang mga ganitong features. So na-input na natin yung access code, scan na ulit natin. So again, tap lang siya. Tap. Dun, boom. Ganun. That's how easy it is to use it. So if you notice dito, ayun, nandito na si XRP sa mga tokens natin. Now, for last criteria, T, total value or like magkano ba siya and is it worth your money? So, balik tayo dito sa website nila. Okay, tapos let's check magkano yung price niya. Okay, so dito, Tangem Wallet 3-card set is $69.90. So, this is around 4,000 pesos. So, yeah, medyo may price din siya, 4,000 pesos. Pero when it comes to like safety, okay, if like meron ka ng malaking crypto portfolio, then I think 4,000 pesos is definitely worth your money as long as you want to safely secure yung crypto mo. So, meaning, if malit pa lang yung portfolio mo, then probably this is not yet for you. Pero if meron kang like $1,000, $2,000, or 6 figures to even 7 figures in crypto, then highly suggest talaga na we store it safely. So, yeah, 3-card set, this is like $70. If you want cheaper naman, meron naman siyang $55. Pero if you notice yung 2-card set, so dalawa lang yung backup mo. And then if you notice yung 2-card sets, yung classic black lang talaga yung available. Pero if dito, 3-card set ka, ito sobrang cool kasi you can customize your card. So sobrang unique, oh. Like, you can do this, Bitcoin, ito pizza. Ito naman, iba-iba yung kulay. Okay. Pero ito yung parang nagustuhan ko. Parang itong branding colors ni Tio Pilo or yung Freedom Lab natin na branding. Okay, so you can customize siya kapag 3-card set naman. Tapos 2 sets. Okay, so paminsan-minsan meron din silang promo like ito. This is until August. Okay, so meron kang 1+1 second is 50% off. Tapos ito din, very cool din. Okay, Tangem Ring. Tangem Ring. So dalawang card, isang ring. So sa ring naman, so parang siyang like parang health ring. Pero crypto wallet pala siya. Okay? So same technology, like if do transaction ka, tap mo lang NFC, okay? And you can access your crypto with a Tangem Ring. So ito very unique din siya. Okay, tapos may sizes dito. Ito naman, Tangem Pro Kit. So, meron siyang kit dyan, 3 cards, to, parang wallet container, and limited edition tumbler. Okay, so yeah, that's the price. Around 4,000 if you do the 3 cards. Ito naman, $55, magkano yan? Almost 2,000, 3,000, gano'n, 2 card set lang. And then you can order via card or PayPal. And then, eto shipping, I believe may shipping siya around $8 for international shipping. Pero pwede siyang free shipping if you go over $89 in total value. So, if you ask me, total value-wise, if meron ka ng malaking portfolio in crypto, I'd say this is definitely worth it with all the features that they have, with the simplicity, the uniqueness, okay, like how easy it is to use, very, very worth it siya. Pero if maliit pa lang yung portfolio mo, then this is something na may not yet be for you. Now, to conclude this video, ano ba yung asset score ni Tangem? So, yung asset score ni Tangem is actually 8.5 out of 10. So, it's a really, really great product. Now, I could easily give this product a rating of like 9 or even a 10. Pero the only reason why I'm not giving this is because when it comes to hardware wallets, mas less known pa si Tangem. Pero again, hopefully itong video na to could inspire some mga crypto investors to try out Tangem wallet. Okay, and then from there, get natin yung mga feedback. And maybe in few months from now, we can update this video and we'll see kung ano ba talaga yung experience nyo when it comes to using the Tangem wallet. Also, when it comes to Tangem wallet kasi, this is really simple and basic to use. And yung Trezor kasi and like yung Ledger, they have like advanced features. This is perfect for mga crypto investors na medyo advanced na talaga and very technical. Pero if you're just really getting started and you want a safe way, an easy way to store your crypto, I mean, this is an easy recommendation, Tangem wallet. Now, if you also want to get your hands onto Tangem wallet, probably I'll just put my link down in the description or visit teopilo.com/tangem to get your Tangem wallet now. Now, as I mentioned kanina, isa sa mga features that I'm really excited about is yung Tangem Pay because you can use crypto in real life. Well, I actually did an experiment with that, yung zero cash challenge. But I was using a different platform. Okay, so if you're interested with that, how I was actually using crypto to pay for my lunch, to pay for pasalubong, or I even bought something for my kids. So you can just check out this next video. Again, I use crypto to pay for real life experiences and how you could also do. So yeah, go ahead and check out this next video and I'll see you there.